Welcome students. As we know that Goopy and Bagha were a pair of musicians and they were going to the king's palace to perform in front of him. While going, they came to a thick jungle and there they started playing music. And they performed whole night just because they met with ghosts who liked their music very much. And when they performed, the ghost came down from the trees and started dancing around them. It was a wonderful experience for them. Finally, the eastern sky started to lighten. Ghosts cannot stay out during the day. As they bid farewell to Goopy and Bagha, they said, "Tell us what you want and your wishes will be granted." "All we want is to please people with our music," said Goopy. "So be it," said the ghost. "Once you start singing, no one will be able to move until your song is over. What else do you want?" At last, the ghost stopped their dancing and they had to say farewell or goodbye to Goopy and Bagha, as they are not able to stay during the daytime. It means they cannot be seen in light, and it was the time to rise the sun. So before going, they said Goopy and Bagha to ask for whatever they wanted and it would be granted to them. Goopy and Bagha wished that people would enjoy the music they played. It means they were innocent and they only wanted to please people with their music. But the ghost wanted to give them something more. Goopy thought for a while and said, "We should always have enough to eat and decent clothes to wear." The ghost handed them a bag and said, "Whenever you want something to eat or a new set of clothes, just put your hand into the bag. You will get it. What more do you wish for?" Goopy scratched his head and said, "I can't think of anything else." Bagha could not either. Here, when the ghost said to ask for another wish, they wished for the good food and decent clothes. Decent means nice clothes to wear. Here, the ghost gave them a bag and said that whenever they wish to have good food or a new set of clothes, they only have to put their hand into the bag and they would get it. And then they asked for another wish, but Goopy and Bagha did not have any other wish. But the ghost smiled and gave them 2 pairs of shoes. "Whenever you want to go anywhere, just put on these shoes and say where you want to go. They will take you there." The ghost liked them and understood that the men were not greedy and had asked for only what they wanted. So they gave each of them a pair of magic shoes that would take them wherever they wished to go immediately. It means they only had to wear the shoes and say the name of the place where they wanted to go, and within a second they would be there. Goopy and Bagha now had nothing to worry about. All that they could ever need had been provided for. They thanked the ghost and bid them farewell. The ghost liked Goopy and Bagha, who only wanted to entertain others with their music and asked for nothing more than their basic needs. So they had been provided, means given, by the ghost, and they were blessed for their goodness. What? They did not think about it. It was not expected, but they were rewarded for their goodness. So they were very happy and said goodbye to the ghost.